Thank you, Chloe, for providing the reference photo of military working dog DDoc Lima 258 Patrol Explosives Detection Dog. Chloe had this to say about MWD Doc. I'd like to introduce you to my dog DDoc. He was born in 2006 as part of the Lackland Air Force Base breeding program and was part of the DD2 litter. He was born out of Arpie. That was a Lackland breeder who went on to be a sheriff canine and a European import sport dog named Edoc. DDoc was one of the 7 pups from that litter. DDoc ended up making the cut and passing all the requirements to be a military working dog and was assigned to Fort Bragg, North Carolina as a patrol and explosives detection dog. He deployed to Iraq and Afghanistan. On his deployment to Afghanistan, he was in country for 3 months before he was involved in a mortar attack that ended his career early. Prior to that, he had detected 14 IEDs, including a pressure plate EOD had missed. That resulted in saving multiple lives. The day of the mortar attack, he was on routine patrol when the unit he was with came under fire. While his handler Mike tries to return fire, DDoc kept trying to pull away and ended up winning the fight. DDoc wasn't the same after that day and was given some time off to rest and retrain, but he stopped alerting to explosives, so they had to send him back to the U.S. He was diagnosed with canine PTSD and was retired early. His handler was supposed to adopt him, but when everything was finalized, he found out his wife was pregnant and DDoc could not be around children. DDoc was then adopted out to another family, but ended up biting their child, so he's advertised on Craigslist. I came across his ad and emailed the guy to meet DDoc. Only after that initial contact is when I found out he was a retired military working dog. And after meeting him, I fell in love and took him home that same day. He was deemed dog aggressive, people aggressive, and unable to be in public. But over the last few years, he has gone from a dog too terrified to go out in his own backyard to a confident and happy dog that I can take anywhere. He is almost 12 years old and still acts like a puppy at times. He lived happily with my other dogs and loves to come to work with me and be around people and their dogs. I am very thankful that I was able to not only find him, but to help him overcome his fears, and I am honored to have this hero dog as part of my family. Thank you, Chloe, for adopting MWD Doc and recognizing what he needed to deal with his PTSD, and thank MWD Doc for your service.